Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect Instagram with Facebook. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Since basically what does that mean, connecting Instagram with Facebook? That means if you change the profile picture, the posts that you post on Facebook and Instagram, the posts that you post on Instagram, they're going to be posted on Facebook, and the posts that you post on Facebook are going to be posted on Instagram. And the same thing goes both ways. So how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up Instagram. Now, from Instagram, you're going to click on the bottom right corner, which is basically your profile icon. From there, you're going to click on Accounts, Account Center. And from there, as you can see, I have both accounts connected. So how you can do this is basically you're going to click on Connected Experiences. If you click on Connected Experiences, basically if you add another account, which is your Facebook account, sharing across profiles. And as you can see, you can have both accounts connected, and choose a profile to control how you share content like stories and posts and across profiles. As you can see, I have my Facebook and Instagram connected, and if you add accounts, you can add another Facebook account or another Instagram account, and this is basically how you connect Instagram to Facebook. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you